Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add animations to a clip in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just click on the one that we want to work on. Then we move to the clip to which we want to add the animation to. We click on the clip, and then here as the third option in the bottom row we find animation. And here we have a bunch of animations that we can select from: in animation, out animation, or combo. And from here we just select the one that we like. For example, this sticky note out animation. Click on OK, and as you can see, this animation is going to be applied to our video. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.